The first half of 2026 was a mix of planning and unplanning, implementing and canceling. But for sure, targets were up to par with the Agricultural Training Institute's culture of excellence. ATI Eastern Visayas remains committed as it implemented several of its programs without skipping a beat. According to national evaluations, Region 8 consistently ranks first in implementing the Youth Internship Program on Organic Agriculture or RIPOA, leading in received and approved applications, enrollees, Phase 1 and 2 graduates, and ongoing enterprise establishments. As of June 2026, ATI-RTC 8's progress includes 35 graduates from the first 2 batches, 21 graduates from Batch 3 who are currently establishing their farms, and 38 interns from Batch 4 who are undergoing mentoring from farm partners. Through these efforts, these young individuals are inspiring other youth to join the agricultural movement, reinforcing the idea that feeding the nation is everyone's business. The collaboration between ATI-RTC 8 and the Visayas State University continues through the second cycle of Dormitorio Verde, Food Always in the Home. This phase features a mentorship model where past participants called the Elder Greens guide new dormitories, the Space Buds, by sharing best practices and applicable agricultural technologies. Beyond growing fresh food, the program has fostered a mindset focused on food security and community engagement. Recognizing the project's alignment with Sustainable Development Goals like SDG 2 or Zero Hunger, the youth independently took ownership of their gardens by assigning internal roles for upkeep, agricultural content creation, and social media engagement. It's a deeper understanding of the goal that to feed everyone, we must inform, we must teach, we must plant, so we all can harvest and eat. Moreover, Dormitorio Verde serves as ATI's contribution to Matatag Vicarp, a DOSTP card-funded regional initiative. This multi-institutional program aims to strengthen food system resilience in Eastern Visayas by developing scalable, low-cost, and energy-efficient agri-food models through institutional production, technology demonstration, and community adoption. ATI-RTC 8's farm clustering initiatives in the region primarily focused on creating cluster development plans for identified rice clusters, with 26 clusters currently refining their draft CDPs for regional working group approval. To support these efforts, ATI 8 conducted 2 batches of an information caravan to promote cluster membership, strengthen stakeholder engagement, and expand Masagana Rice Industry Development Program interventions at the grassroots level. They also held 3 batches of Agri-Enterprise Clustering Approach training to enhance the skills of cluster members and extension workers. For the rice cluster assessments using the Harmonized Agricultural Clustering Assessment Tool, ATI 8 strategically integrated these assessments into scheduled training activities. Through this approach, a total of 96 out of 124 rice clusters have been successfully assessed from November 2024 to the present. Guided by the maxim that they must serve from an overflow rather than emptiness, ATI-RTC 8 continues to implement in-house power-up capacity building activities to develop the facilitation, communication, and training management skills of its technical and administrative staff. In managing training activities, staff are continuously encouraged to integrate a touch of creativity to liven up activity dynamics and strengthen branding initiatives. The encouragement was met with musicality, starting with last year's NAFES and NRAM celebration. Since then, several jingles have since accompanied most of the programs of ATI-RTC 8, such as the Babae sa Bukid Liwanag ng Bayan for Women's Month, Soa Masaganang Kokobohayan for School on the Air, Agri-Tabay for ATI in Eastern Visayas weekly Facebook program. And our corporate ATI jingles such as ATI Kikilos, ATI Serbisyo,
Ito ang kwento ng serbisyo. Ito ang kwento ng pagtutulungan.
Kwento ng Serbisyo,
Ito ang kwento ng serbisyo. Ito ang kwento ng pagtutulungan. ATI kasama sa bawat
and Tanim ng Pag-asa.
ATI, lakas ng agrikultura. Kasama ka sa bagong sigla. Sa bawat
The center also heavily supports advocacy programs like National Women's Month every March, viewing them as platforms to build bigger, aligned initiatives. This annual celebration strengthens partnerships with the City Health Office of Baybay City, wherein this year's partnership focused on cervical cancer orientation and screening through the Serbisyo para kay Ating Juana initiative. Partnerships with Phil Root Crops collaborating through the Farm to Fem training for root crop women farmers involved in value adding. Additionally, in the management of its daily operations and in line with the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, the center earned a 5-star energy efficiency rating with a 94.44% compliance score under the Department of Energy's Government Energy Management Program or GEMP, reflecting its commitment to sustainable practices and reducing government energy consumption. As the center readies itself for the next 6 months of 2026, it reaffirms its commitment to provide steady stewardship of all mandated programs and its forged collaborations and partnerships, while taking great care of its own powerful resource, the ATI-RTC 8 staff. Padayon lang para sa paglambo sa Pilipinas.
ATI, kaagapay na